Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you the Questions plugin access management feature. Firstly, a few words of the access management. This is actually a way to control non-administrator users what they could do with the Questions plugin. So maybe it sounds a little bit difficult for understanding, so that's why I'm recording this video demonstration, so I'm going to show you how it works. So the first thing that you have to do is to log in as administrator into your Redmine and then go to administrations and then roles and permissions. Here you have to select the user role that is going to be changed. So in our case it is the support role, so all users that have support role are going to be affected with these changes. Okay, so now we scroll down to the questions section and we see that here is a list of permissions for the questions. For example, we see add questions, add answers, add commands, etc. So in the current situation we have add questions enabled. So let's go to other Redmine where a user is logged in with support role, so he has these permissions enabled. So here we are, this is user 007, the James Bond of Redmine. So he's able to add a new question because this permission is enabled for him. But now let's go back to the administration. Okay, so we disable this and then save the changes. Okay. So when we return back to James Bond, we refresh our page and see that the new question button is disappearing. So there is no such permission for this role, so the user cannot add questions. Alright, so yeah, this is how the access management feature works. It is controlling by the administrator what users could do or could not do. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles of the Questions plugin documentation. Bye bye for now.